So, you brought a bar into your house. Great move! Now it's time to get started. To get the best beer, you need cold torps. Make sure to cool your torps for 6 to 10 hours on the lower shelf, as this is the coldest part of your fridge. The torp will show you when it's ready to be loaded. The indicator will turn blue when it's fully chilled. Turn your subcompact on, ideally 1 hour before use, to speed up the cooling process. Prepare the torp by inserting the tube connector into the opening until you hear a click. Open the door of the subcompact, lift the tap cover and place the torp into the chamber. Insert the pouring end of the tube into the tap. Make sure the tube is firmly attached on both ends and close the cover. That's it! If the button is red, the torp is cooling. When it's green, it's go time. Just remember to start your preparation in time. Enjoy!